Hey there. If you're worried about high blood pressure, you're not alone. Millions of people face this issue, but the good news is it's manageable. Today, we're going to talk about how to combat high blood pressure with practical, step-by-step advice. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start lowering your blood pressure naturally and effectively. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's understand what high blood pressure is. Blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. When this pressure is consistently too high, it can lead to serious health problems like heart disease and stroke. Normal blood pressure is around 120/80 mmHg. If your readings are consistently above this, it's time to take action. Monitor your blood pressure. You can't manage what you don't measure. Get a reliable blood pressure monitor. They're available at most pharmacies or online. Check your blood pressure at the same time each day and keep a log of your readings. This helps you track progress and see patterns. Eat a healthy diet. Diet plays a huge role in managing blood pressure. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit salt intake, as excessive sodium is a major culprit in high blood pressure. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium a day. According to the American Heart Association, reducing sodium can significantly lower blood pressure. Fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. They're rich in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels. Whole grains. Swap white bread and pasta for whole grain versions. They have more nutrients and fiber. Lean proteins. Choose fish, chicken, and beans over red meat. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can lower blood pressure by 5 to 8 millimeters of mercury. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. This can be as simple as a 30-minute walk 5 days a week. The Mayo Clinic suggests that even short bursts of activity throughout the day can add up to significant benefits. Walking. It's simple and effective. Find a buddy to walk with or listen to your favorite podcast to make it enjoyable. Strength training. Include at least 2 days of muscle strengthening activities each week. Consistency. Set a schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain the balance of fluids and salts in your body, which can help control blood pressure. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a water bottle with you to make it easier. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure. Finding ways to manage stress is crucial. Techniques like meditation and deep breathing exercises can be very effective. A study from Harvard Medical School found that meditation can significantly reduce blood pressure. Meditation. Use apps like Headspace or Calm for guided sessions. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises for a few minutes each day. Inhale deeply, hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Excessive alcohol and smoking are major risk factors for high blood pressure. Limit your alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink a day for women and 2 for men. If you smoke, seek help to quit. There are numerous resources available, including counseling and nicotine replacement therapies. Combating high blood pressure is all about making healthy lifestyle choices. Monitor your blood pressure regularly, eat a balanced diet, exercise, stay hydrated, manage stress, and avoid harmful habits. While these steps can significantly improve your heart health, it's crucial to consult with a doctor for proper diagnosis and a personalized treatment plan. They can assess your individual needs and determine if medication is necessary to effectively manage your blood pressure. With a doctor's guidance and consistent effort, you can take control of your health and lower your blood pressure for a longer, healthier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Let's fight high blood pressure together.